Hello there, fellow knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into intriguing topics from around the world. Today, we are going to dive into the captivating world of political science as we examine the traditional view of this fascinating field. So, let's get right into it. Political science, as many of you may know, is the study of government systems, political behavior, and public policies. The traditional view of this discipline focuses on understanding power, dynamics, institutions, and the role of individuals in shaping political systems. But is the view still relevant in today's rapidly changing world? Before we explore the criticisms, let's touch upon the strength of the traditional perspective. It provides us with a solid foundation to understand how political institutions function and the role of elected officials and the working of governments. It helps us navigate complex governance structures and comprehend the intricate processes that shape policies. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitation of this traditional view. Often it overlooks the impact of cultural facts, social movements, and the increasing power of non-state actors. It tends to emphasize hierarchical structure and power struggles, neglecting grassroots initiatives and the power of collective action. In today's increasingly interconnected world, political landscapes are evolving at an unprecedented rate. Grassroots movements, social media activism, and citizen-driven initiatives are reshaping political norms. Understanding modern politics requires recognizing the power of the people and non-traditional ways of influencing decision-making. As political science enters a new era, scholars are now integrating new approaches to be better understanding the complexities of our world. Interdisciplinary collaborations with sociology, psychology, and communication studies allow us to explore the role of emotions, identity, and the media in politics. These multidimensional perspectives bring fresh insights into how individuals and institutions interact. While we highlight the need for an updated approach, it's essential not to discard the traditional view entirely. The historical context and established theories will provide valuable insights. They create a strong foundation for further exploration, enhancing our understanding of the underlying structures that shape political behavior at various levels. As political science continues to evolve, it's crucial for scholars, students, and citizens alike to embrace diverse perspectives. By combining the traditional view with modern approaches, we can uncover new ways to address the pressing challenges of our time. Together, we can shape inclusive and exclusive policies that benefit society as a whole. That's wrap for today's exploration of the traditional view of political science. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Let us know your thoughts and stress suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.